Just to think, hello, Apple Intelligence, our smallest desktop ever. What?
This is the brand new M4 Mac Mini, and here's why you absolutely need it. Apple's done it again with a much needed upgrade from the M1 Mac Mini. Compact, lightweight, and packed with power. This little machine is seriously impressive. Let's break it down. Right up front, we've got two USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Flip it around and you'll find power, Ethernet, HDMI, and three Thunderbolt 4 ports for all your high-speed needs. And here's an interesting design choice. Apple moved the power port to the bottom. Bold move, right? Let me know your thoughts. I went with the base model 256GB storage and 16GB of RAM. Likely it's the most popular choice. I just wish Apple had boosted that storage to 512GB. But hey, that's Apple for you. As a content creator, I have one little gripe. There's no SD card slot for quick media transfers. Like Apple, come on, are you even listening? For perspective, here's the M4 Mac Mini next to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Talk about powerful in a tiny package. Benchmarks coming up soon, but first, here's how it fits perfectly into my setup alongside my M1 Max MacBook Pro. The M4 Mac Mini now supports up to 3 displays at once, and yes, it still includes a built-in speaker. At just 1.5 pounds, 5 inches on each side, and only 2 inches tall, this mini Mac is a powerhouse that's as portable as it gets. Let's get into performance. I'll run Geekbench, Disk Speed Test, and Cinebench so you can see how it measures up. Check out these Geekbench scores. Impressive, right? Now Disk Speed Test. Here's what it hit for the read and write speeds. And finally, Cinebench. Here are the single core and multi-core results highlighted in orange. One more thing, this entire video was edited on the M4 Mac Mini. It handled everything like a champ. Want to see more about the M4 Mac Mini or some must-have accessories? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more. Peace out.